everyone has a dream, whether it's big or small. So let's see what the people of Bulawayo have and what they are hoping for, you know. So let's just go. And I have these people here. Offer my chance, but tune in. Yes, so on Zalibuza Ngawano. Yes, so I'm just face that. I have a YouTube. Yes, I tuna my vlog. Tuna my vlog. But I'm talking about like around Kwapa interview abantu. So in a samba imizo lapho.
I'm the tongue dozer.
Ndoza. Echentamba.
Tongue silent killer.
Silent killer. Lottie.
Ngo's mine.
Yes, super shit. So Chamba guys just chenga Ndoza. So in Ndoza yin like into or like iphupho lakho like elikhulu into ofuna ukuba yiyo mebhunga kakhulu into ofuna ukuyenza. Umuntu ofuna ukuyenza
bila kakhulu yabo amnamfuba ngudoctor
kuba ngudoctor hayi liphuphe iswini so karese uyenza uchoose ube ngudoctor like usayenzani uzothi
usafunda yabo
usafunda funa
today too
uyiswitch so wena ungafocus esicela kakhulu nami ngiyambona kulomunye la ukhazi noma ngudoctor but ufunakala ukubala kakhulu nje upush ibhuku yabo so Ndoza yena ufuba ngudokotela endaba silent killer. So that was a silent killer. Silent killer when what's your dream?
Nakuba pilot.
Why pilot? Kulumani ndo zamakhi.
Ngiyisile mfuba.
Serious nje. Sichayise lesicela ube khona uhamba.
Hayi sengichayise.
So uhlala ufunda ngakare.
Konje msithe.
So kuyingane sowenzayo in order ukuthi ube yipilot.
Akathese vele mbala kakhulu amabhuku.
Bala kakhulu amabhuku.
Pilot eZimbabwe noma shine
Uzaba nguwe ndo. Uzaba nguwe nje. Demon Slayer. Demon uthenjana. Upload ka yahlabela, siupload lana eHarare.
Yahlabela.
So la yakuchaya nama rhymes. Yahlabela ngiyakuchayela ibeat nje.
Mje bukhulu nje ngopload.
Yes. Ufube nje uhlabela amplot phela yahlabela. Chabela amabhaza ethu abantu bekuzo. So ngaba lo muntu ongakuthanda nje sikubize studio nje. Umuntu yakuncane nje
ubize studio. Ibeat lamakhomba ke
ibeat yamakhomba.
Chayela lesikhothana abantu abagidana.
Yagida.
So izabe imnandi le interview yakho bayekile wena.
Namfuba lisotsha mina.
So noma yini? Upload akasozabe lisotsha upload akasikoso.
Hayi ngiyaba ngupload wesithunzi.
But so manje wenzani ukuthi uzube ngupload?
Ukuthi impumele 5 subjects zami bese ngihamba ngenza njengopload.
Wenza njengopload. Switch sesichayisile. Konke swi kodwa like yonke into si akulalo lihluphayo. Yes, then sesizaba lobani kanje because my bathini because my so yenza ngani kuyini ofuna ukuba yikho la ngakhula
mina ufuna lipolisa vela
because my kulaba police
ngifuna uba bhala benza oba drugs yabo prepare la aba lipolisa
so manje karesi ukuthi like into yenza karesi thuza ufike police kuyinokwenza
amabhuku ngiyabamba la mndela ukuthi ngiwenjima phela
yazi kule into try kuyinto ejini yakhona
ngikhona vele
la ukhona manje ithi phela lama saba lama police amaningi
banike sibasangona le
yengwane yangikhona so la sulazi try with izankosi
bakanike wasibaqasa bafika
isibhasi manje sibhoza siba cheza
simfana mase abadazi
uba futhi amadala
zonke zithu zonke
manje ijive ngalicha vele nansi la sina siyavula indlela
play phaki
akula jala ula track kuyo khona
ama track la
chabe uthi just chabe la track uthi
chabe vlog ibe mnandi le
video yabona ichaza
le video uthi abantu
chabe la ukasenda
amnanchangwanisa yakubona ngikida mina cha ukidwa mbani
Vula check isithi machive abagida nje bachenza kebe lo muntu obukeleyo ngalithanda yabo siza kubiza nje nami ngakubona yabo thuche endaweni nje so madri chive liyachawa madri lingadi so check blot wena ufunda ufomba ngare form 3 so yahlabela tsebe Kubla nje sabuya la. Siphenduke siphenduke. Azabe ziyokholela phambili. Kanti ufuna siphume nga. Ikopi yasithi hamba sikhonela phambili. Thenza.
Yeah, people find more gens.
Kana bebhala bakholisa njani mana mbacida wobuda siba esichithe phakathi wobudas cela phe ukukhuluma la ntshubelezi Apa putas. Sisi alibona liyakholisa la. Ngufezile putas ngenza ama YouTube yabo. So like ngamba interview abantu around abantu sebesixoxa nje like ukuxoxa ukuthi njani impilo yabo njengoba kana sindibona liyazikholisela so ngabe ngilihawukela because ngapha lami ingoma lezi ngizovele ngizithandayo yabo. So bemfuna ukuthi siphonge ukuxoxa nje conversation 2 minutes ngaxoxa sihamba lakho is fine. Bese ngaliphambana. Yabo
Put us met the niggas.
We just met the niggas.
Us met the niggas this Sunday.
Yes.
Keep it down.
Yeah. So yabo. So
ungawari.
So konke kunjani put us how's life? Ngiyabona liyakholisa la.
We must make it.
Yeah.
Don't stress about
It's an apartment.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Do whatever the best for you.
Yeah.
Take care for yourself and the
Yeah.
know your journey, know your vision, focus.
Yeah.
Then anything give up to the God.
Okay.
God knows.
Yeah, thank you because abantu abaningi bakudinga khona lokho. Especially
you get a family.
Yeah, especially the
get a family.
Yeah, and I can see that you are very wise from the things that you say because abantu abaningi lapha they need
they need one, but some people on this pride.
Yeah.
If you got the pride, so you can't do anything.
Yeah.
Because you can't ask something for anything.
Yeah.
But life and open and everything is simple.
Simple.
It's simple.
Yeah.
You go to church, you know, you go to ask God.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Sharp.
Ayova, Dimlo. Dimlo. Yeah. Ayo.
Sure. Such great characters. You see, this is my hometown, my family. This is my home setup, hometown, whatever it is. So this is where we stay, bro. This is Bopoma. W's Bopoma. W Bopoma. Anyone who's from Bopoma, drop a comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I just met these two people. And we just like got advice. I got to ask them like because I saw them, they were dancing and having fun, you know. And whatever they said, people need to hear that. I needed to hear it, and some other people need to like hear it. Doesn't matter where that word is coming from, just as long as it's pure and it's wise, you know. So yeah, so let's keep on like finding other people whom we can like have genuine conversations or like to talk and everything. I need a girl, like I need to speak to a girl, you know. Yo, I like this right here. This is Brazil. This is Mpopoma. Amanzi lawana athi impopoma. Ukubona yathi buya nje such a mode. You will get arrested. Good. We have a very special guest. Special guest. Jerry Bear phambili nga.
Hayi amna mina imfuhlala.
Hayi ngifuna ukuthi yena ngihlale ngapha.
Hayi nomela iphume.
Uphuma swi, nasikoba nyama. Good boy. Kunyakhanya. Letha ngikuhlube. Selothi ibe kubuza imbuzo. Yeah, so nje namhlanje bengamambuza abantu ukuthi banjani empilweni. Hayi, awuthi into ezinzima yini. Ngiyamambuza abantu ukuthi banjani empilweni. Ukuthi impilo enjani andibona amaphupha abo yini Yini abakwenzayo ukuthi amaphupho abengabancane because kulabantu ababukele abangathanda ukwenzani bengawubona bethi athi umfana le business esima na phela sinjani sifaka imali yabo so you see
amanyisi amanje
ababile ufana nje umuntu omaziyo besisikhathi yezwi so injalo impilo bra bese sibe product azibuza abangani bakuthi injalo impilo elalekazela imbuzi ukuthi impilo injani
kunjalo
so amalokuzeni like how is the business going bafethu we have a cheap business here siyadayisa ama chips so nxa lifuna if you want you come vele menze libe lifuna because business le so injani business nje
business ngangikhuluma le business iyamalanga yabo yafana ukuthi mawuthi yawo busy ngokho busy but mawubusy yabingcono ebambi ngalanga yabo
kuyaphusheka kodwa
wena yaphusheka phika ufana nokuzihlalela yabo
nawo ungcono nje because abantu abaningi these days vele bahlezi azilo memdala kwabeqoda usithi meze uzame nje like noma into yangikhona incane onganana whether kumbe uthenza amatamatisi whether kumbe yenzana but meze uzame as long as wena uzama into yangikhona yabiza kumele yabo so lami ngizama ukunceda nje abanye abantu sayizami yabo embaboni lami nje ngiyazama but ngiba grateful ukuthi ngiyazama even though into zami zolezi ngiyabenthola ama 10 views yabethola ama 5 views 10 views but still ikwenzani ngikuzama yabo so me I'm glad nxa usithi ukuphusha nje and lama I wish you the best empilweni ukuthi yabona ibusiness yakhe iqhubeke probably one day uzabule shop yakho nje ngethengisa ama chips ngikufunayo
vila isifiso sami vila ngihlala vile ngathi ngingithe ngikhatha amagwili la ngilami sengiqhathile
uthi la uthi uqhatsha abantu njalo uthayike ama fast food o chicken in yasho uzithola njani benza into ezisi
isithola vila msengipheka into ezi right eziclean vila yabo
ejibe dinga abama ngifuna anga interview inkazana ngidala ukhe interview omemba sengidinwe njani lokho ngikhuluma nabo omemba ngifuna inkazana jawula abatshela abangadla lapho bazi engakhuluma labo kunini ndoda ngwayawala nini ngwayawala sengidinwe metsa phela ndiyabona mina ncancane lakho ngiyalidinga ndenzele lo umbola ngomunye semfuna ukumtshela ngo this danger yokuhlala kumetsa mina so you heard it from the horse's mouth guys this is the business we have this is our business our simple business business here today so we'll be selling chips namakota
namapaloni yabo paloni $1 so what
so jemna njoba sengikuthi someze ngithenga
kuba amabhika vila
ule bheka kare
amabhika
kare shongangenzela
sesingakwenza ichips embrasheni $1
suke kwazi ucameraman lami
vile adale bawo
akudale sebenza hayi yabona emsisendu lebelale lichisa njani sebenze yabothi yabo
thuluzi
so guys catch you with the next these kids right here these are my friends ngithi la bangani ba liyangazi uba umba alingazi oh so liyangazi so when Fuba yini wakhona
no Fuba engineer
when Fuba yini
psychologist
when Fuba yini
nurse
when Fuba yini
lawyer pilot doctor
yenza
doctor treat abantu abagulayo stuff
pilot yenza
carry people to their destination
a lawyer
yenza
solve criminals.
Alright, as lawyer lawyer represents people in court. Whether it's get to new lawyer but as after but that's a good dream. Good job, good dream, and I bless you. When
treat people never medicine.
Yeah, in this very treat abantu. Then psychologist yenza.
Engineer.
That's a very good.
I'll be helping in minds.
Yeah, that's nice. You be doing amalo kuzini. So ngiyacela guys njengomuntu like like wasekhulile. So ngiyacela ukuthi may please stick to your goals. Khona lokho elikufunayo. Ningachinji. Ngingazi maybe seningatshintsha but menze lihlale ngabantu abanjani. The right guys liyahleka so menze lihlale linjalo and then focus kakhulu esikole. Ngiyacela. Focus esikole. Ajo phela ningahle. So I tell you the what tell you the what next generation of tomorrow. Right, tomorrow generation. Yeah, the what?
Next generation of tomorrow.
Right. Sorry guys. So these are the big people one day and I believe which you don't get these are my economic by you can. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Never say choice. So bye bye guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Fezile.
Scream Shaban. So what do you want to do? Ukukhuluma isikhiwa, asikhulumeni isikhiwa. Hi. So what's your name? What's your name?
Lorraine.
Where do you live?
Popo.
What did you eat yesterday?
Rice.
Name one subject.
Math.
What is a teacher? What is a teacher?
A teacher is someone who teaches in school so that children can pass.
Oh, that's nice. So, what is a church? Yeah, what is a church?
Yes. The church is a secret place where people go and worship God.
Whoa, what is a church?
It's a place for worship.
Hey. What is church again? The right hand, but it's not like the ideal. Church is a church is a church. Church is a group of people worshiping and praising God. The church is not a building. Church, okay, it's not a building than a church. Church building, but the church in abantu abanjani aba worship uNkulunkulu. So it's called one day bazalibuza khona. Nengabhali church is a place where people gather. Church is people worshiping God. Anje phela. Anje phela. Uthini thank you phela siyabonga ngiyanifundisa. Beyanini la nifuna ukuphuma. Sikalile endleleni beyanini ngaphela. Bana Tembiza la thinking ngwadumbi. Ngwadumbi la lithu la nivele ngiyalazi la la nivele lonke ngiyalazi akwazi ukuthi ngoba bhaluhlale ephatha. So guys siyawazi. So guys bye bye and thank you for your time. Ngizithenga ngithi masihamba senzani
Generation of tomorrow.
senizathini see kale singathi bye bye then sesabe ngathi yeah bye bye ifuna kwenzalo kuyo sizaphuze ora chenza sini nanichasa isikhathi swale senza kusasa angithi isikhathi lesi sizenza kusasa bye bye sizasenza ama funny videos man. I've had so many interesting interviews with many different people from the children. I had a friend also and those other two guys and the other one I don't remember whom I interviewed. But anyway, this was a good day and I got to like spend time with people and they are watching they are over the camera. They want to see they want to see, you know. Yeah, so as ngingathi asithi like and subscribe and ukugcine and share, follow and like, share and subscribe. Okay, cool. So now I'm ending the video. So make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure you
Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.